Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to reset the camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and here in this whole operation it does not really matter whether you will be on the video or the photo mode. We have to enter the settings. Before we will do that, I hope that you can see this special type of a grid line. I've applied it before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the spiral should disappear. As I said, it does not really matter on which mode you will be. Simply unroll the top bar. Just swipe your finger slightly and enter the settings. Then we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Settings and tap on OK. The settings flashed a little bit, so we can go back to the camera and check. And here we've got actually the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because we have to select a style in which our photos will be taken. And this is the option, and this is the thing we are picking at the very beginning of using our device, whenever you will open the camera for the very first time after the configuration. So this is the first evidence. The second is that we've got the instructions, what we have to do in order to open the menu, and the third evidence is that we do not have this spiral, so we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.